to customize lock screen on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you have to scroll down and go into themes, and as you are here you will have to go for these three dots on the top right corner. And right now select lock screen, and as it is selected, here you can change some wallpaper colors, but for this wallpaper it's not really working. There's nothing changing, so I don't really know for what wallpaper it should be working. But here are wallpaper colors and here are some other colors, and this will basically change nothing. Alright, so it doesn't work. I don't know really how to use this one, but here you can go for clock color and size, and here you can change the color of this clock right here, and you can also change its size to small one or this dynamic, which changes size according to lock screen content. And yeah, here you can also change this color like this. You can change this value, I don't know what to call it. And yeah, you can also toggle to show notifications on the lock screen, and here are more lock screen options to show the QR code scanner, for example, add text on the lock screen, show device controls, use device controls, and some other stuff. And yeah, here we can also change the wallpaper, so let's go in there and we can select from these on device wallpapers, or we can select from the pictures from the gallery, as you can see. And yeah, that will be basically it. That's all about the customization of the lock screen.